Hello and welcome to Space Tech Hub, the channel where we explore the wonders of the universe. Today we're going to talk about Pluto and its 5 moons: Charon, Styx, Hydra, Kerberos and Styx, and why Pluto is no longer a planet. You might think that these moons orbit Pluto like our moon orbits Earth, but that's not the case. In fact, none of Pluto's 5 moons actually orbit the dwarf planet. What do I mean by that? Well, let me explain. Pluto and its largest moon, Charon, are so close in size and mass that they actually orbit a common point in space called the barycenter. The barycenter is not inside either Pluto or Charon, but outside both of them. This means that both Pluto and Charon are constantly spinning around this point, like two dancers holding hands. The other 4 moons orbit this barycenter as well, but not in a regular way. They are influenced by the gravitational pull of both Pluto and Charon, which makes their orbits chaotic and unpredictable. Sometimes they speed up, sometimes they slow down, sometimes they cross each other's paths. This makes Pluto's moon system very complex and fascinating. So why does this happen? How did Pluto end up with such a strange family of moons? Well, scientists believe that about 4 billion years ago, Pluto and Charon were formed by a giant collision between 2 icy bodies in the Kuiper belt, a region of space beyond Neptune where many dwarf planets and comets are found. The impact created a lot of debris that eventually coalesced into the other 4 moons. Because of this violent origin, Pluto and Charon were left in a very tight and eccentric orbit around each other, which resulted in their mutual tidal locking. This means that they always face the same side to each other, just like our moon does to Earth. The other 4 moons were also captured by this orbit, but because they are much smaller and farther away, they are more affected by the changing gravity of Pluto and Charon. So there you have it. None of Pluto's 5 moons actually orbit the dwarf planet. They orbit a point in space where Pluto and Charon dance around each other. This makes Pluto's moon system one of the most unique and intriguing in our solar system. Now let's talk about why Pluto is no longer considered a planet. Pluto was discovered in 1930 and was considered the 9th planet in our solar system for 76 years. But in 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, decided to change the definition of a planet, and Pluto didn't meet the criteria. According to the IAU, a planet is a celestial body that orbits the Sun, has enough mass to be round, and has cleared its neighborhood of other objects. Pluto meets the first 2 conditions, but not the third one. Pluto shares its orbit with many other icy bodies in the Kuiper belt, a region beyond Neptune that contains millions of comets and dwarf planets. Because Pluto has not cleared its neighborhood, it is now classified as a dwarf planet, along with 4 other objects: Ceres, Eris, and Haumea. This decision was controversial and sparked a lot of debate among astronomers and the public. Some people still think Pluto should be a planet, while others accept the new classification. What do you think? Let us know if you have any questions or comments. Please leave them below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more science-related content. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Thanks for watching.